Good day, everyone. How are you? It's good to see you again. This is Teacher Maricar of English.com. Today, we will continue answering the activity from the topic that we've learned from our last video in this book, English Reading Starter 5. This will help you to increase your knowledge about the passage and to widen your vocabulary. So now, let's begin. We will answer another activities related from the passage in Unit 12 entitled Hurricane. Are you ready now? Let's begin this first activity, which is word practice. In this part, we will write the meaning of the following words. As you still remember, we already discussed this word hurricane from our last video, right? So now, we will find out the meaning of the other 7 words here. First, I will give you time to find out the meaning of the following words in your dictionary, and you can write it in your notebook. While you are looking for the definition, I will read those words for you. Then, after that, I will show you the meaning of those words based on its use in the passage. Okay? I will start now. Tropical, cyclone, typhoon, storm, violent, radius, and the last word, speed. Alright, are you finished? Now, it's time for me to show you its meaning. Let's start on the first word, tropical. It is typical of tropics, relating to or characteristics of the tropics. Next, the word cyclone, large-scale storm system. It is a large-scale storm system with heavy rain and winds that rotate counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere around and toward a low pressure center. Next, the word typhoon, tropical storm. It is a violent tropical storm in the western Pacific and Indian Oceans. And then the word storm, heavy rain or snow. A heavy fall of rain, snow, or sleet, often occurring with strong winds. And then the word violent, violent destructive force. Okay? Or showing destructive force, showing extreme, destructive, or uncontrollable force. And then the word radius, circular area, an area enclosed by a circle that has a radius of a particular length. And the last word, speed, rapidity. It is fast movement, progress, or operation. Alright, so now we've finished this first part. Let's go to the second part, which is reading comprehension. In this part, we will test if you understand the passage. We will find out the best answer from the following question. Are you ready now? So let's start in number 1. What is another name for a hurricane? Foggy, typhoon, or windy? The answer is yes, letter B, typhoon. How about number 2? What is the average radius of a hurricane? 74 to 195 miles, 74 to 207 miles, or 207 to 414 miles? The answer is, you got it right. It's letter C, 207 to 414 miles. Then, number 3. A hurricane makes strong blank. Thunder and snow, winds and rain, or fog and heat? So what is the missing words here? The answer is correct. It's letter B, winds and rain. And last, number 4. The speed of a hurricane is from at least blank miles per hour to 195 miles per hour. What is the missing number here? The answer is yes, letter C, 74. Okay, very good. Now, let's go to the last part, which is describe the picture. In this part, we will unscramble the words in the box. We can find out the answer by looking at this picture first. This will be our clue. Alright, so now, what is the answer here? Very good. A hurricane is moving fast. As you can see in this picture, this movement looks very fast, right? Okay, good. So this is the end of our activity for today. I hope that you enjoy it and you learn a lot. It is fun and exciting to learn English. Again, this is Teacher Maricar of Camplish.com. See you in our next video. Goodbye!